My name is Lady Joana Álvarez Tavares. I am single. I live in Abejorral, Antioquia. I'm 25 old. I carry work as an administrative assistant in el municipal Ministry of Education and Culture. I am a student agronomy at el UNAD. In mi spare time, I like to sing and dance. With my daily activity I carry out every day in head out at 6 a.m. I drink coffee. I look for my closet to work and take a shower. I usually have cookies and eggs and coffee with milk for break. Every day I start working at the Ministry of Education and Culture as an administrative assistant, where I work filling and preparing reports at those I got off for lunch and el in return and 2 p.m. towards un útil 6 p.m. 3:40 and 6:30 p.m. I am already home after work in start with housework such as sweeping and tidying el kitchen. I have dinner at 7:45 and 9 where I eat salad and meat with it study my academic work, where I do pending time for el university. I go to bed at 12 o'clock and 9 almost every day. Af- After finish me paying thanks on when I take a break for work. I, I go to my parents' far when I don't travel on weekends. Usually go to el Eucharit and have an ice cream or a coffee, since it's an sweet area a typical of el municipal. El festivity in Abejorral are el festivity of el Arch Parade of el Bumblef and San Isidro, where artists and cultura acts are carried out. Thank you.